Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can upload just text on TikTok. So press the plus button here, and then you're going to select the text button here. Then you're just going to type anything you want. I'm just going to randomly type stuff, and here you can choose the fonts that you want. You can put it in the middle as well, and you can select the color of your text and select the many styles they have. Select done once you're done with that, and you can also change the background color here, and you can just add your stickers here. Once you're done, you can just post to feed or add it to your story. And that is it, super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!